Hi guys, hope you're all having a lovely week. Today I'm going to show you how to create marbling writing with a pointed lip pen. It's going to be a lot of fun. I used the watercolor for today's demo as I think it is more common that people would have watercolor at home than colored ink. And it will give you more choices on color, but you can use colored ink if you want. First, choose two colors that you want to use for creating the marbling. I'd always pick white as one of the two colors, as it would make the marbling more stand out. But if you want to choose other colors than white, I'll suggest that you pick one light color and one darker color, so to create a bigger contrast. As you can see, I didn't get much color out from the tubes. It depends on how much you are going to write. Today I'm going to write only a few words, so this will be enough. Mix the watercolor with water, not too much. You don't want it to be too thin, just thin enough to run through the nib. Load the watercolor onto the nib using a little brush like this. Load the lighter color first. In my case here, it would be the white color. And then just put a tiny bit of the other color to the nib like this. Before you actually write on a proper paper, test the ink by writing on a scrap paper to make sure it's not going to be too much ink that may drip while you write. And since I used white here, you kind of want to make sure the color comes out, it's not going to be completely white, that people may not be able to see when it's white on white. See this beautiful marbling? Load the ink again when they have ran out, just like what you did before. And always test the ink every time after you loaded the ink and before you write. I always like to put a little love heart to where I think looks a bit empty. This helps balance out the layout of the artwork. You may need some practice on getting better control of the ink. Play around with it before you actually write on a proper paper. Have fun, and that's it for today. Hope you like it. And if you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you soon.